All right, a 42-year-old suspect is due back in the Wynberg Magistrates Court in Cape Town in connection with the rape and murder of UCT student Uyinene Mrwetyana. The man has also been charged with defeating the ends of justice. In his previous appearance, the court heard that the suspect confessed and pointed out the spot in Khayelitsha where he allegedly hid the young woman's body. 19-year-old Mrwetyana, a film and media studies student, went missing in August. The state alleges that she was attacked inside a post office in Claremont after she was told by the suspect to return to collect a parcel. The man cannot be identified as per the court's instruction. Our reporter Vanessa Poonah joins us now live from the Wynberg Magistrates Court in Cape Town. Vanessa, a very good morning to you. What's happening outside the court?
Yes, Desiree, good morning to you too. And outside court at the moment, a handful of protesters, mostly from the NGO Elite Labantu, have gathered here outside the Wynberg Magistrates Court, where anytime this morning, the murder accused, the man who the state says had confessed to raping and killing the 19-year-old Uyinene Mrwetyana, is expected to appear. Now, we've asked the NPA what exactly we can expect this morning, whether a bail application will be sought or not. And joining me is the NPA spokesperson here in the Western Cape, Eric Ntabazalila. Eric, what can we expect this morning? We understand that the murder accused, the 42-year-old post office worker, will appear here in court this morning. It's the second time that he will appear. At the previous court appearance, we heard from the state that he had indeed confessed to the rape, to the murder of Uyinene. Can you tell us what is expected to come out of court today?
Good morning. Yes, I can confirm the appearance of the accused. The matter is likely to be postponed, and then when we come back after that, it's likely to be transferred to the High Court.
Eric, we understand at the previous appearance as well, we were told that the murder accused at this stage cannot be identified as per the court order due to, for example, possible ID parade as well as outstanding DNA results. Can you give us an indication as to whether those have indeed been concluded at this stage?
Unfortunately, that is the police side of the investigation, but I can confirm there was a court order and only the court inside can lift those two orders or not. I cannot confirm in terms of the investigation because that is the police side of only the police can comment on that.
Also, Eric, just one last question. The magistrate earlier said that the murder accused will be appearing via the court video system at the last appearance. We now understand that he indeed will appear in this court. Can you confirm this?
I have been advised by the two investigating officers on this matter, and they confirmed that yes, he will be appearing in person.
Thank you very much, Eric Ntabazalila. There, of course, the NPA spokesperson here in the Western Cape, just giving us the information that he can share at this point in time. Of course, Desiree, we will hear from what happens inside court when the 42-year-old post office worker does make a second court appearance. We understand that it will be a short appearance and a possible postponement at this stage. No mention made of any bail application at this point in time. But if I can just take you back, of course, Uyinene Mrwetyana, 19-year-old film and media studies student at UCT. Her murder sparked what we could call a nationwide protests at the time when there was a wave of femicide happening across South Africa. We've seen since her brutal murder that, of course, UCT itself, the university which she belonged to, having instituted a scholarship in her honor, and also then the widespread protest action which culminated in mass gatherings in front of Parliament too, with NGOs, with civil society coming out and calling for harsh penalties for perpetrators of sexual violence, as well as those perpetrating violence against women and children. And shortly this morning, we do expect proceedings to get underway here in the Magistrates Court behind me.
Thank you very much for that update.